Hello and welcome back to our online Wudang Academy. So last time we were finishing from this posture, coming over here to Gombo. Okay, so now let's continue. Watch closely what happens. We are here at the Gombo posture. The left hand relax. The fingers come slightly inside. And we turn on the right heel to Ma Bu. Turn the hip. In circular motion, the finger come forward and turn the hand. Alright, let's do it one more time. Gombo, 𝐸, Ma Bu. Okay, breathing is easy. After you breathe out, now breathe in, relax. And by turning and push forward, you breathe out. Now open the right hand. Everything fall in one line. Turn Gombo and step close. The hands continue going upward in circular motion. Now the hands coming forward and raise the knee. Okay, so let's do this one more time. We're coming from here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Breathe in, go up, hold the breath, kick, turn around, breathe out, turn the hip to the right. Now come forward with the gravity center, turn the hip to the other side and open and stay Ma Bu. Let's do it one more time. Gombo, 𝐸, come over here, turn the hip to the right, turn the hip to the left, Ma Bu. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Let me show you one more time from the side. So when we're coming from the Gombo posture here, watch closely. Till 45, change over, breathe in, hold the breath, go over, turn to the right, left hand come forward, turn to the left, open and stay Ma Bu. All right. This is it for today's episode. Thank you for watching and see you next week for more. Goodbye.